What you got?
Look, look, look. Look, Mama, look.
I see it. What you got? Who is that?
Layla. Layla Selena and Derek is hanging. Where is that?
Where is it? They're at a park, I think.
I'll go there. Can I go there?
Can you go to the park?
I can. I can a minute.
Well, they're not there right now.
A cock. A cock. A cock. Look. The park is right, Layla.
You want to go to the park with Layla?
I do.
You do?
Layla does that in the park.
Layla's in Georgia.
It's not.
Yes, she is. For one more week.
No.
And then she's coming here. She's going to visit you while she's here.
It do that.
You want to visit with Layla while she's here? What about Shannon? Don't you like Shannon and Derek?
And Layla.
I know you like Layla, but what about everybody else?
This is Layla.
Maybe we'll ask Shannon. Ask Shannon if you can have a picture of Layla for your room.
Layla in the room.
You want a picture of Layla for your room?
In the mama, in right there, in the there. Layla. Layla. Layla's park.
Yeah.
Layla at the park.
Yeah.
Can I go?
We're not going right now.
Come. Can I come?
Can they come?
Can I come?
Can you come with them?
Uh-huh.
Well, you got to ask Shannon and Derek.